and mood are intricately connected. How you eat does impact how you feel. These foods you're looking at are a recipe for happiness and will boost your mood both mentally and physically. Becca Jackson joins me in the Studio 5 kitchen to educate us. Great to see you.
Hi, thanks for having me.
So let's start with the definition. Mood foods, what are they?
Well, I think a lot of times we think, oh, I want a mood boosting food, I'm gonna go eat a bunch of sugar. And it's like, that's like our quick sugar release.
Ice cream.
Yeah. It's like, we like it, yes, but it's like, let's think of kind of the long-term effects of what's gonna make us happier in the long run. You know, happier throughout the day, what's gonna give us more energy, what's gonna make us feel more, clear-minded and that sort of thing, and feel better the next day. And so it's like little doses of sugar are fine here and there, but we want something to boost our mood throughout the whole day. So just kind of those more whole ingredients that we are wanting the fats. We need the healthy fats, but then also packed with the vitamins and antioxidants that we need. So
what a beautiful way to do it. It supports the movement that our Studio 5 health and fitness contributors have pointed us toward, this idea of wellness, right? Like thinking toward the foods that will fill you up in the right way and make you feel good. And that does lead you down a healthier path.
And feel good, and just there's so much to be said about just thinking clearly and not, having to stress about that.
Yes, so you've got a few small preps or steps that will lead to 3 different dishes and paths.
So first our kind of main star of the show today is salmon. So you can buy it fresh. Whoop, there it is.
I just committed over the weekend to return to salmon. We ate a lot of that a few years ago.
I feel like we're the same way. I feel like we've been on this chicken kick for years.
Yes.
And it's my family, we've been eating salmon recently and they're like, wait, this is actually really good. And I'm like, well, it's really good for you too.
And it's easy to make. You forget how simple it can come together for dinner.
So they sell it frozen in this vacuum sealed packages, which are fabulous because there's no freezer burn and that sort of thing. So this is just showing you easiest way to cook it.
You're using avocado oil.
So just do a little avocado oil or olive oil.
Your bottle has some personality today.
Lovely, or mind of its own. And I just keep it simple. So we just add a little bit of salt and then you just bake that easy as can be at 400 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. I like my salmon more on the 15-minute end of things, not as opaque looking.
Yes.
So don't put me on Food Network, they'll all disagree with my salmon. But we have all these ingredients. That we have the salmon that we want to meal prep for the day, for the weeks, for a few days. But instead of eating the exact same thing every day, we want to eat it a few different ways.
Because that's your thing, and I know that holds a lot of people up with the meal prep. Do I have to eat the same thing every day? The answer is sort of, because you're mixing it up.
Yes, similar ingredients. We've got our fruits, veggies, and we've got our good classic mood boosting ingredients over here. So we've got the fruit, the veggies, and eggs, avocados. We've got those fats in the avocados, eggs, and we do have some dark chocolate in there. Yes, have the dark chocolate, little mood boosting, antioxidants and vitamins, but also the nuts and the seeds, so sunflower seeds. So we really want to focus on these like B vitamins, and then the salmon. So we're gonna make this fried rice while we're talking here to go with our salmon of the day.
I'm a big fan of fried rice.
So, that was a big dollop of butter, but we're going with it.
Fats, right?
So, we're going with it, a little bit of flavor, and I like to do the garlic with it.
Really, I couldn't tell.
I know, it's there.
I stepped in the kitchen, I was like,
fragrant.
I'm awake.
So while that's going, perfect, we're gonna add the little egg in here. So this fried rice, easy as can be. So I've done all of that before I even added my rice. So we'll take cooked rice, and we'll just add that on with it. So I've got my egg in there.
This is another quick and easy dinner. I reach for this.
Oh, all the time.
Lazy gal's recipe a lot.
Oh, always. And then I even more lazy. We're just taking our frozen fruit, our frozen peas and carrots.
Otherwise known as veggies.
Yes.
And that lazy was a compliment, by the way.
Oh, no, I'm all about it.
What every woman and mom needs comes 4:30.
Like, people are like, you're normal. And I'm like, I love normal. I love lazy. It's because making time for other things.
Yeah.
So there we go. So we just need to let that heat through.
Nice.
So you can use your own. You can use a little teriyaki sauce, or we're just going to do a little soy sauce. So that's your salt. We'll just cook that right up.
Plate it next to the salmon, and that is plate number 1.
So look at that. So we're already done. Within what? That was just 2 minutes, maybe?
Yes.
We'll plate that right with your salmon.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
All right, what else could we do with that salmon?
So we're going to take that same idea of salmon, but then a little lighter lunch. So maybe we have the chickpeas. So that's like our plant-based protein, but also has some of those like vitamins that we need. But what I wanted to mention too about the salmon, what makes it such a good mood boosting meal is that an ingredient is that it has the omega-3s. It has that fat in it to absorb all the other vitamins. So like A, D, K, they're all fat-soluble vitamins. So you need the healthy fats so your body can absorb the vitamins we need. So we're eating all these veggies, but you want your body to absorb them. So it's not just wasted.
So the healthy fat foods will carry us to the needed.
So that's the nuts. Throw in a few nuts, throw in the seeds, throw in the salmon. So this is our light little lunch. You can add just a nice easy salad dressing on there.
Beautiful.
And then this is kind of a more hearty bowl.
Look at this.
So this has been, my new thing has been lentils. My kids are like, what are these? I'm like, I don't know. It's a seed, it's a bean, we don't know. But
we're in love with lentils.
It's here, it's a bean. So I like to kind of substitute that in something with like rice.
So you make you cook lentils in advance?
Cook it in advance, similar to rice, boil it in water. We add a little butter and salt, and then we serve it with our roasted veggies. So this is sweet potatoes, we have some zucchini, and then we've got those sunflower seeds in there. Once again, it has those vitamins to kind of help with all that just brain function and I pair that with some little barbecue sauce.
Oh, yum.
So we have all sorts of flavors.
Barbecue
we can go
sauce and
balsamic,
salmon?
Barbecue.
Sure.
And then teriyaki. So,
I'm going to try that combination.
Yeah. Oh, it's delicious.
Salmon and barbecue sauce. I'm
Especially
thinking about
with those sweet potatoes.
Sure. All right. Thank you so much, sister.
Yeah,
3 great recipes you can make
course.
from the same basic foods that fuel us and boost our moods in all the right ways. Where can we get more recipe inspiration from you?
I'm on Instagram at If the Cookie Fits.
If the cookie fits, does it?
Oh, always.
Always.
The cookie fits.
With dark chocolate cookie. Thank you so much. We appreciate it,
Yes,
Becca.
of course.
We'll link you over to her Instagram from our website, studio5.ksl.com.